Hello, Tony and Reg.
Hi Tony, hi Reg.
Congratulations!
And best wishes. Best wishes.
Grabe. We're so happy na at least you had your church wedding already. And at least si Tristan will be able to participate in your church wedding. We wish you were there to celebrate it with you. And pag-uwi niyo na lang.
Oo nga,
See
pag-uwi
you
na lang.
soon.
Okay, congratulations ulit and best wishes.
Best wishes.
How are you?
Hi, Tony.
Hello, Pete. Congratulations on your 21st
Wedding
wedding anniversary. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa. And I hope ibigyan kayo ng pagkakataon. Baka maaaring sundan niyo pa si Tristan.
Congratulations!
Kung hindi maaari lang naman. Pete, best wishes ulit sa inyo na. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Tony.
We love you. Take care always kay lahat. Okay? Bye-bye.
Binabati ko kayong dalawa ulit sa inyong kasal. Sana masundan si Tristan ulit ng isa pa. At sa anang honeymoon, I love you.
Hello.
Hello. Best
wishes
wishes on
on
your
your
wedding,
wedding.
Kuya Reg and Ate Sony.
Message.
21 years after love and beautiful memories together. Wishing you more happiness, blessings, and many more years to come forever. Cheers!
Cheers!
Happy
Bye.
wedding.
Happy anniversary!
Bye!
Bye!
Bye.
See you next time!
Ay, Rere! Tony! Happy anniversary!
And congratulations sa inyong renewal of vows.
Hopefully, this will be a start of something new, something great. May bago pala kayong kakasal na naman pala kayo. Maghahanda ba ako ng lampen? Hindi naman. Okay, but anyway, sana maging paraan to para maging mas matibay kayo sa susunod na mga paghamon sa buhay. Tagalog yun, ha?
Congratulations and happy anniversary ulit.